So this is the Fossibot F101 Pro, the beta version of the Fossibot F101, and this device is one of the few rugged phones with a rear display. Now while this phone is among the few rugged phones with a rear display, it has a feature that other rugged phones with a rear display doesn't have. With the phone's main rear camera, which is a 24MP camera, you could use the rear camera to take a selfie while using the phone's rear display to view the shot. Now this is an amazing feature that other rugged phones with rear display doesn't have. I believe so. The device will be launching on the 11th of November and it's going to be sold for about $160. But according to the brand, the first 500 buyers of this device before the 11th of November will be getting the device for just $100, guys. If you're interested in getting the Fossibot F101 Pro for a very affordable price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. So without further ado, let's explore the top features of this smartphone. So the device is available in 3 beautiful designs, including black geometric design, crocodile pattern leather, and orange geometric. The device ships with the Android 13 and it has a 5.44-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display. I mentioned earlier that it has a rear display, and I mentioned one of the top features of the rear display. But also with the rear display, you could quickly answer calls or cancel any phone calls. You could also receive notifications. And regarding the cameras, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 24MP primary sensor, 5MP macro, and a 0.3MP auxiliary camera. The front-facing camera is 8MP. The device is powered by the MediaTek MT8788 octa-core processor paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, where the RAM and the storage can be expanded. The RAM can be virtually expanded, while you could expand the storage using a micro SD card. This device is rated IP68 and IP69K. The device features a 10,600 mAh battery and it supports 18 watts fast charging. So other features of the phone includes NFC, Wi-Fi support, face unlock, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It also has a custom key. Now these are the top features of the Fossibot F101 Pro. Like I mentioned earlier, if you wish to get this device for a very cheap price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.